What's up, drone pilot? Welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Neil J and I do crazy stuff with FPV drone. I came here today to fly my SpeedyBee Master 3X and with this new props. Those are Gemfan 353D. They're supposed to be 35 and 2.5 inch on the pitch. They are 3D. They're designed to fly upside down, like for whoever flying freestyle with upside down, they can fly like this or they can fly like this. So they fly them, they switch the prop direction and start flying upside down. So I'm gonna try them. I'm not gonna be doing the upside down flying because my setup is not set up for a 3D flying, but I'm gonna try them because I like the color of them. Okay, you see how beautiful the color is? So I really like the color. I couldn't find anything close to this. They kind of have a little bit yellow in them and green on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. And also at the same time, I just got the 1100 milliamp hours 120C batteries. Those are the same, surprisingly the same weight as the 850 150C. So what I find out is, like, if you go down on the C 150, it has, you know, small motors, so it's not going to be taking 150C to fly it. So it will keep the weight down, to my surprise. So this is only 1 gram heavier than the 850 milliamp hour. I'm getting 1100. I already tried it. I'm getting about 3 minutes more than the other one. So we're gonna go ahead and send it out today. It's gonna be really challenging because it's very windy, and the wind is right now probably like 20 miles per hour. So we will see how it's gonna do with the wind. Wish me a good luck. Let's go ahead and send it. Already, let's go ahead and arm it. Let's go. So I'm facing right now about 20 miles per hour wind. It's very windy. But if I wait for the perfect weather, it will never happen. So I'm not quite sure how those props gonna behave today. It's very challenging when it's very windy like that. Now the wind is pushing me from behind. It's pushing me really fast going forward. Nice. I really don't feel the difference as far as the props goes. I'm just struggling in the wind right now. Now the wind is pushing from behind, so it's gonna be going really faster than what I want it to. Woo, look at that wind. Still going back. Oh. Very windy. It's getting windier actually. That's where the wind starts pushing from behind. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but my mic is taking off the wind out. Whoa, that wind. Okay, so I pressed the wrong button, I guess. Okay, what happened here? I pressed the fail-safe button. I don't know why I did that. And I started going backward toward me, like I lost a signal or something. Oh, sometimes I always, not always, but sometimes I push these buttons. Especially when I get really nervous here with the wind like that. I mean, it's very windy. How many minutes we have? We have like 6 minutes right now. Crazy stuff here. Okay, well the battery is going down, so we need to bring it back. I have to land like against the wind so it can slow me down. All right. It's very windy, y'all. Very windy. Let's go ahead and get the time on there. What do we have? 6 minutes and 17 seconds. That's not bad for a windy day. I mean, it's really windy right now. So here it is, it's back. I hope you enjoyed the flight. I better get out of here before the wind gets even windier, because we having the bad weather coming up today. So I appreciate you watching, and I appreciate you subscribing if you did, and if you haven't, please do. And if you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.